TikTok is a social media app that has become very popular since it appeared in 2016. It is an app that allows users to create and share short videos that can contain music, lip sync, comedy, and many other types of content. TikTok became so popular because of its unique and intuitive features that allow users to create entertaining and creative content with ease. TikTok features a powerful video editor, which allows users to create videos with special effects, filters, and transitions. TikTok also has a huge music bibliothèque, which allows users to choose songs to accompany their videos. TikTok is fun for many people to get creative and collaborate with their friends, and the app is often used as a platform to showcase talents and hobbies. TikTok has a very active and extensive user community, which allows users to discover and interact with content and other users that match their interests. TikTok also has an advanced content recommendation feature, which allows users to discover relevant and interesting content. While TikTok has many interesting features, there are also some issues to be aware of. Some people are concerned about the privacy and security of users' personal information, and there is also inappropriate content that can be found on the app. However, TikTok is working to address these issues by introducing stricter privacy and security policies. Overall, TikTok is a fun and engaging social media app for many people. With powerful features and a wide community of users, TikTok allows users to create and share entertaining and creative content. If you want to try this app, be sure to pay attention to your privacy and information security. Now, are you wondering how to make your TikTok video get a lot of viewers quickly? In this video I will share how to make your TikTok video get a lot of viewers quickly. Of course, this way your video will go viral, trending, and FYP. Before we move on to the next part, it's good if you like and subscribe to this channel so that this channel stays alive and growing. This method can be used on all devices, be it PC, Android, or iOS. All you need is a browser and then follow the steps as in this video. Step 1. Open a browser. Then type accesforbidden in your browser. Wait a moment, then you will be prompted to fill in the CAPTCHA. In this section there are several features that you can choose from. Then you open the TikTok application. For example, here I will choose a random video with a video that has few viewers. Here I have found a video with few viewers, about 800. Let's try by copying the link. If you use the TikTok application, you can press the share icon, then copy your video link. Then reopen accesforbidden, then select Views. Paste the video link that you copied here, then click Search. Then wait a few moments until it's finished. If it's done, next step, click Search, then click your video. Then wait a few more moments until the time is over. Then now check your video by refreshing your TikTok application. Has the viewer increased? In the example of my video, the viewer has increased from a viewer of about 800s now increased to almost 2000 viewers. To increase the viewer again, please repeat the steps from the beginning. Open the Zfoy page, then click search, then click your video. Then wait again for a while. Then see your video again by refreshing your TikTok page, then see what happens. Has your video viewer increased? In my video example, the viewers have increased to around 3,000 from the previous only around 800s. If you want to continue to increase viewers, please repeat the step-by-step from the beginning. That's all the video that tells how to increase viewers TikTok quickly. If there is any part that needs to be asked, please leave a comment so that we can discuss properly. And if there are other questions about how to do it for other topics, please comment below. Thank you.